Hey, what's up everybody? Zach is back. Thanks for tuning in again. I've got another episode of what to watch for this upcoming week. And today is actually Valentine's Day when I'm filming this. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. And in the famous words of Kid Cudi, I would like to read you a poem. If I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. But please don't cry. Just know that I have made these write-ups for you. And with that said, let me just jump right in to what is going on and what I'm currently thinking of. Well, Monday is President's Day for all of you that celebrate this awesome holiday when the stock market is closed and we can all just sit at home and have an extra day to ponder our next moves. And so while we're sitting around pondering, I have a couple to add to the watch list for you guys. Let's make this video a little bit short today. I do apologize. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do the live stream coming up this weekend. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but nevertheless. First one I've got for you is CLII. This is Climate Change Crisis Real Impact Acquisition Corp, which is another SPAC, and it's a charging station play just like the SPE was. Now, different to SPE, this one is not, the vote is not delayed on the merger. And the CLII is rumored to merger with EVgo, which is similar to ChargePoint for SPE. But nevertheless, here's another one. This one also could be interesting. I set a price target at $30. Once the merger hits, it should be easy to get that. Anything EV, battery, lithium, anything like that is hot these days. So the entry, I'm going to try to get it. As you see, it's come down a little bit. But I will try to get it for less than $20. I think it's a pretty good buy. And if not, I've got the SPE, which I need to take a look at next week because we had the delay on the merger come out, which I don't think is the end of the world for that, by the way. But nevertheless, this one also could be a good pickup. I put the risk of 5 because all SPACs are a 5 risk, since a lot of them are just based on rumors. But anyways, 4 to 6 months for this one to play out because it is said to be merging with EVgo at the close of the second quarter in 2021. So just give it some time, but I think if we can pick these up while it's cheap, that would be awesome. And there is currently a gap to be filled, so let's keep watching for that. And the next one on the watch list is NXE. This one's one pointed out to me during the live stream, and I took a look at it and told everybody during the live stream that I would probably add this one to my list because it is pretty interesting. So this one is called Next Gen Energy Ltd. Next Gen Energy engages in the acquisition, exploration, and development of uranium properties, and it's a Canadian company actually. So I think anything uranium is hot right now. There's a lot of news surrounding uranium, and it is not a secret at all that there is going to be a shortage of uranium, and currently they're already running deficits. So it has been running up, so I'd be a little bit cautious on this. It is definitely blasted off from the 180-day moving average. I went ahead and set the target at $5.50. I don't think that would be very hard in the mid to long term. So just be a little bit careful on this one because it could drop off a lot because it is way overbought right now, but we'll see. With all the news surrounding uranium, it might not. And a good entry for me personally is less than $3. There's other things to be buying, and this one is a smaller cap. So I would just be a little bit cautious overall because in general I'm pretty conservative when it comes to investing. And it's always worked for me. But anyways, this is a risk of a 5 just because it has, like I said, blasted off from the 180-day. But I could adjust that to a 4 coming up here soon. It really just depends if it pulls back or not. So we'll be watching that for sure. And this one is a little bit in the unknown, so I would put it at I would just give you an extra time and give it a 3 to 6 months. Probably just buy shares of this one. All right, and then the last one I have for you is NET. This is Cloudflare, and probably you guys know Cloudflare already. And I would like to go ahead and add this to the watch list. I had been investing in this one before, and I had consolidated some of my positions probably the end of last year, because I really like the ARC-W, I think it is off the top of my head, the Internet Infrastructure ETF, something like that. But this one is also a good play. Currently, it's a little bit cheap, although it has been going up a lot. I went ahead and set this price target at $100 because I think this is easily going to be a triple digit stock. I want to try to get in around 85, and if you've been following along this journey, my journey to a million, or just my social media in general, you guys will know that I buy on supports. So it seems to me like I'm a buyer at $85, which it's like 86 right now. So, you know, if we can get it a little bit cheaper, that would be cool. Also, if you have around $8,600, $8,500, you could try to force the cost basis to be lower by selling a put, but you need 100 shares. You need to be ready to buy 100 shares to do that, or at least have the capital for the 100 shares. So we could go ahead and do that. I'll think about it on Tuesday when the market's open. But overall, I think this would be an interesting buy zone for me because it's been riding up this support for quite a while now. And I don't think that this one is super risky. I mean, we can look at the puts really quick. So 5 days till expiration. That's kind of interesting. $256 we could get out of that. Or we could try to lower the cost basis by $3. So we could do 86 down to 83. So it's going to be interesting, but that takes a decent amount of capital to be able to do that. And if you don't know what I am talking about right now, you should check out the last live stream we did because we totally went over that a lot, I feel like. And also I have a video about the wheel strategy that you could check out. But overall, the goal is to sell a put and then get assigned the 100 shares and then sell a covered call and collect the premiums. But anyways, so I went ahead and put this at risk of 3. I don't feel like it is very risky because this industry is just going to keep growing. Time frame 2 to 4 months. And yeah, I think could be interesting. I will definitely be looking into this one on Tuesday, and we'll see how it goes. And like I said, guys, I don't know if I'm going to live stream this weekend because I'm not feeling very well right now, but I am trying to pump these write-ups out for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys appreciate it. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, link in the description. I have a Discord link in the description with a VIP section on the Discord, which you can ask me any questions, which I prioritize answering on the VIP section of the Discord. So go ahead and join the Discord. Also, if you wondering what broker I'm using, it is Webull. I do all of this charting, the buy zones and the targets and everything like that on Webull. So if you don't have a Webull, you can go ahead and join. There's a link in the description, which you're going to get a couple free stocks from. And you can trade it along with us, or you can, even if you don't want to move your money to Webull, you can still use their desktop app for a lot of technical analysis, and it's really good. So guys, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the other side. Peace.